Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A54 and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, let's navigate into the settings. From here we're gonna go into storage, scroll down to your SD card and you'll find the format SD card option. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it, so if there's anything that you'd like to keep, back it up beforehand, otherwise it will be lost permanently. Now assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on the format SD card and the process will begin. This process only takes several seconds, and once it's finished the card is ready to be used once more as it is right now. Click on OK and you're completely done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.